zuwa shi ma ya tare a cikin wannan biki.
All of the guests remain seated and have a clear passage for Mr.
of Yusuf and Zarah. As we all know, there are conditions necessary for a marriage to be valid religiously. One of them, there must be a guy here who is...
Well, I'm very impressed with the number of, the amount of turnout. I thank Nigerians very much for going there. Well, you must have seen the crowd.
So what will be your advice to the new couple?
Well, I hope they will appreciate what Nigerians have done to them and behave themselves.
We are very, very pleased, and I congratulate the couples. And as you can see, so many governors, including about 17 APC governors, visited to support Mr. President and the family. And this is indeed a blessing to all the youth of Nigeria, and we pray that we will continue to celebrate marriage, and this will serve as inspiration to other younger ones. Thank you.
Life and the bride, and we know they would have, inshallah, a successful married life, and in the presence of all the dignitaries that came to witness their wedding, all gratitude goes to Almighty Allah, and we look forward to a richly blessed marriage for them.
They should be patient with one another. Marriage is an institution within which they will all learn. But the most important thing at this point is for both of them to be patient with each other. And I wish them prosperous and peaceful married life.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.